Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use an AJ Bell stocks and shares ISA. First, open your web browser and go to the AJ Bell website. Click on login and sign into your AJ Bell account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to open a stocks and shares ISA and complete the registration process. Once you're logged in, open your stocks and shares ISA account from your dashboard. Before you can start investing, you need to add money to your ISA. Click add money or deposit funds and choose how you would like to fund your account. You can make a one-time payment, set up a monthly direct debit, or transfer an existing ISA from another provider. AJ Bell allows you to start investing with a monthly contribution from as little as £25 or a one-time investment from £250. After your money has been added to the account, click on Invest Deal or Browse Investments. Here you can choose where to invest your money. AJ Bell offers several investment options, including AJ Bell Funds, Favorite Funds, Investment Funds, ETFs, UK shares, US shares, global shares, bonds, and gilts. If you're new to investing and prefer a simpler approach, you can choose one of the AJ Bell funds, which are managed by investment professionals. If you want to build your own portfolio, you can search for specific funds, shares, ETFs, or bonds using the search bar. Once you find an investment you want to buy, click on it to view more information, including performance, costs, risk level, and investment details. Click Buy or Invest, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order carefully. Confirm the transaction to complete your investment. After the purchase is processed, your investments will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor their performance and value over time. You can continue adding money to your stocks and shares ISA throughout the tax year up to the annual ISA allowance of £20,000. If you ever need access to your money, you can sell investments and withdraw funds from your account. Withdrawals are free, but because this is not a flexible ISA, any money you withdraw and later pay back in will count towards your annual ISA allowance. You can also review your portfolio regularly, make additional investments, sell existing holdings, or adjust your investment strategy based on your financial goals. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.